guys, it's me, Geeky Up Yes, and today I'm going to show you my new OPS customs. I just made them just now. Number one, this kitty. Hey guys, so sorry I had to move. Yeah, because you saw the lighting was bad there. So the first one that I made here was this kitty. And I had a double of this kitty. I got one for Christmas and one for my birthday. So I customized the one I got from Christmas, which isn't as good condition. It had a pen on it. And it's brown. It was the white one, but I actually kept the tail because I actually quite liked the faded in look. So it looked like it had a white tail that I actually painted, but I didn't. And I did the white over the eye and the ears. One ear, this one, and it's actually brown. It looks really dark, but it's actually really bright brown. Yeah, it's actually really light brown, but yeah. And I did purple eyes and white paws and white dots on it. Please comment down below a name and the suggestions. This I also glossed, and by the way, I did a top coat on both of these. 2 is this custom. It does not have an eye color, it's just black and white. Yeah, and I need to do a top coat over this eye because I had to redo it. Yeah, and I again left the tail because I thought it would look cool. And I top coated everything, so yeah. And it has these little paw prints here. As you can see, the eye is meant to be the middle part of the paw. Same with here. You might see 3 dots, which is meant to be the top of the paw, and then the eye is meant to be the part. And I just did a normal paw print. I did a paw print here, and its neck, and did 2 black paws. Yeah, and I think they're really cute. This one's my favorite. Write down your favorite, and can you comment names down below for both of their names, because I haven't named this one. Yeah. So bye guys, and here's just them both again, so you can choose which one's your favorite. My favorite is this one. Yeah, I don't know which one's yours. And also I have this custom that I'm making into a golden one. Yeah. Well, a yellow one. So, yeah.